What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another awesome video. So, I wanted to talk about this with you guys because I knew you guys would probably ask me sometime in time. So, what happened to drone shots? Well, what happened was my drone is a little bit broken now, so I'm trying to get a new drone so that we can do more drone shots, and I really do miss that series. My drone propellers broke off, and I'm trying to fix it, but I can't find the parts to fix it with. But yeah, guys, I'm hopefully gonna get a new drone soon, maybe for Christmas. But yeah, I really would want to continue drone shots, and you guys might be thinking, well, why don't you use Blake's drone, Austin? Well, that's because he lost his drone, so we don't have any drones anymore that we can film with. But I do have some better news. Like I said in the video, stay tuned for car shots. Stay tuned for car shots because I'm gonna try and figure out some way to do that whole ordeal. So yeah, that's what happened to drone shots. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.